Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an event that's twice a year that's happening. The last one happened in Vancouver, now we are in Toronto, and it's the PWN2OWN event, which I always find interesting because they actually find so many security flaws in all the devices. So the first version, the second version that is in the fall, has started, and PWN2OWN Toronto has already had quite a few things that's been happening. Security flaws were found in the Samsung Galaxy S23 and several other devices, including printers and network attached storage. So this is, of course, companies coming forward with their devices and having these hackers try to find security flaws so they can be fixed. And in return, these security groups actually have money. And this year is more than $1 million in cash and prizes available for contestants. So lots of stuff happening. So it started October the 24th, and there are different printer class category. There have been some flaws discovered in the Canon image class printers, Synology, surveillance systems, some network attached storage has been compromised. The Xiaomi 13 Pro mobile phone category. So many things. The QNAP TS464 NAS category, the network attached storage, has been found to have some problems. Canon. So, every company has flaws. So that was yesterday, the 24th. It's continuing today with other devices being targeted from other companies, including HP, Lexmark, and so on. It's going to be very interesting to see what security flaws they find today. The focus is on a lot of IoT devices, Internet of Things devices this year. So this is pretty cool. And, why not make money and help out and finding security flaws everywhere? So this is going to be interesting. Routers are being checked out also, TP-Link, and so on. And this is the complete list here. I'm going to actually share the schedule if you're interested to see what they will be attempting to get into and hack into. It's very interesting. So, of course, it ends on Friday, October 27th. It will be interesting to see all of that. Last time around in Vancouver, they had security flaws on many other things, including iPhones and so on. There are some iPhones that will be, of course, checked for security flaws here in this in these 3 days. So this is always fun to watch, and it helps out in making our devices more secure. So I'll share the link to the PWN2OWN page here from the 0-Day Initiative, and you can look at the schedule if that interests you. It's always fun to see what they find. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.